Right, this is the ZX interface 1 and that's the ZX Microdrive. I'll show you how these fit. Get like a manual, like how to do like the Microdrive, and you can connect other. Well, I see there's like a Carrier, the ZX Microdrive. That's what Microdrive looks like. Can't find them at the moment. I hope I can. Still got them somewhere. Let's see. It's basically like an endless loop. Goes in there, and then it goes like round and round in circles, and it comes back out again. Okay. So basically, this. See, I do screws on the back there, and then when you fit it on, you can fit one. Fit up to 8, I think you can fit, and you can fit another one. That's how you. It's basically just saving stuff onto a tape, but this is an endless tape, so it's a bit like a not in a way. Bit like a, I don't know. That's that. Oh, that's what. Oh yeah. So these the tapes. I've got quite a lot of these tape Microdrives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. So this is what it looks like. You can see the tape there. Very thin tape. This is the storage. I'm going to plug this. I'm supposed to screw this on, but I'm not going to because it takes too much time. But alright, unplug this here, and then in here. Okay, let's put that there. Plug the tape in. Plug this tape in. This is grey for the black for the mic, and then grey for the ear, black for the mic. Okay. And then we've got this. This is what connects to the Microdrive. This is the Microdrive. That's where the actual. I don't know how this still works, but plug. One there. Put this key in, this leg in, so I can plug this in. This plugs in there. Let's have I've got this this goes in here. Let's plug this all back up again. Let's see what happens. Got a feeling I might want to. Okay. Let's do. I plugged. Don't know how well these will work. Let's do cat. I can't find the word cat. Category. I have to know this off by heart. It says it's on 9. So if I do extended mode, extended mode, shift cat 1, Microdrive not present, it says. Extended mode, symbol shift cat 1. Microdrive not present. It doesn't like. Let's try it one more time. Cat 1, category 1. Let's try the Microdrive. I used to know what's on all of these. Microdrive. Don't like these ones. Maybe because these are so old it can't read it anymore. Well, at least I know the Microdrive's kind of working, but not the actual cartridges themselves. Not liking these Microdrives. Okay, let's try another one. It's probably about 20 years old or something. It's keep on saying Microdrive not present. Okay. Aha, something's now it's working. I don't know for how long. Let's see what it says. In about 7 seconds, the catalogue. To find out what other programs are stored on document cartridge, enter the catalogue on. So you put cat 1, which I've done. Identify the number of the micro you're using, which I've done. So I put cat 1. About 7 seconds, the television screen will display number of cartridges. The alphabetical catalogue of the names of all the cartridges of the files stored in the cartridge, the amount of memory left in the cartridge in kilobytes. Kilobytes? Cool. It's not much, is it, these days? It's been more than 7 seconds. Let's count 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's been more than 7 seconds while it's whirling away. So you can connect this up to other things. See, it's like a program. I think you can connect, if you've done that program, then you can connect it up to another computer, to another Spectrum, and you can talk. Each computer can talk to each other. So this manual is all about using the interface and Microdrive and and you can connect like a printer. RS232 connections. This is the RS232 interface. Okay. Let's see if I can stop this. I've got 1, 2, 4 more. Okay. Try this one in. I don't like this one neither. Not liking this one neither. The only one it does like is not. Okay. No, keep saying Microdrive not present, and it is. Okay. Let's try this one. It's not liking. It's not. I keep saying Microdrive not present. Okay. If I took it out, then it says Microdrive not present. Okay. Let's try this one. It was this one, wasn't it? Was it liked? Which one was it? I thought it was this one. Oh, okay, well, okay, this is that one again. Well, that one is doing that. I'm going to draw you a quick picture of a Microdrive, what it looks like inside. Okay, so looks like that. Okay, well that's the outside of it roughly, and then the tape kind of going to go like this. That's the tape inside. And then it goes round like that, and then round like that, and then it joins in like that. So it's something like that roughly. So the tape's going like that, and then along, so that's where it's been read, or maybe there, and then it goes round, and it goes round in circles. Oh no, that's it, and it goes on, and then it goes across back to the middle bit, and then it goes round and round in circles, then it comes back outside, and then it goes along, and then along this bit here, there, that bit there, then it goes across that bit there, then it goes round in circles in there. So that's what basically what it looks like inside, roughly. And how do I know that? Because 20 years ago my dad took one of these apart to see how it worked, and that's what he found out. And he showed me. That's how roughly I remember how it works. So and again, it's basically like an endless tape. And if this doesn't work, I shall do part 3, loading a game. And the game I've got quite a few games. Garfield, got Hypersports. Now here's a real arcade classic. I've got Outrun. Do you remember Outrun on the arcade? We actually, in that car, you actually race against the time, all the different tracks. I've got Garfield yet again. I've got a game called Gauntlet. That's another famous game. Where you in this dungeon, and these 4 characters, Merlin, Thor, Thyra, or Questor, and you have to go and get all these bits and then escape. And a game called Trap, which is basically a shoot 'em up type game. I've got some more games upstairs I've got to do, and I've even got Scrabble. And I think there's some games or programs on there, but I've got no idea what's on there. few more seconds. Let's open up this one. I wonder if it makes a difference if I use this one instead. And that is so I can have two at the same time. And again, there's a little, oh I think it's on that one, but there's a little metal piece where you can like screw them together. Little metal plate. You take off two of them screws, and then there's one on that side as well, so you can make a better connection. But I'm not going to bother having two. I've got another one there. And apparently you can have about 8. Oh yeah, I link up 8 to that Microdrive, so you could have had a whole bank of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I could have all of these Microdrives, and then if that'd be called Cat 1, that'd be called Cat 2. Okay. Don't think anything's going to happen, so part 3 is going to be about gaming. Let's see if I can try and load up a game. So thanks for watching. See you in part 3.